You can use AutoVirt to quickly get metrics on your networked file storage. For any volume, folder, or share, you can determine size and count the number of files. AutoVirt surveys Active Directory to create a map of all the file servers on your network. From AutoVirt's web-based user interface, you can select which devices you want to manage using AutoVirt. Then, you can customize workflows or policies to manage your devices. To count files and determine the size of a target you designate, you'll use a measure policy. Select New Policy and Begin. Select the data source you would like the policy to measure. You can choose an entire file server, a volume, a folder, or a share. Schedule the policy. By default, AutoVirt schedules the policy to begin immediately and run just once. You have the option to schedule the policy to run in the future or repeatedly at any interval. AutoVirt assigns each policy instance a default name, but you can rename the policy if you wish. Click Finish to run your measure policy. The progress of the policy is monitored and recorded under the Policy Events tab. You can see when your policy was initiated and when it was completed. To see the results of your policy, select the name of the policy you just created. You can see that the policy is completed and that the share you selected for measurement contains 171 files and directories. A measure policy is a good way to plan for other data management activities. Before you run an AutoVirt data migration policy, you can use a measure policy to make sure the destination you've selected will accommodate the data you plan to move.